The ATV71hd22n4 motor driver built by Telemecanique is a 30 horsepower motor controller we received for repair from an elevator company. This particular motor controller was used on a construction elevator, which is the side mount elevators installed on large construction sites. This motor controller was intermittent, so after a full rebuild and test as shown in the video, the elevator was back up and running. At ERD, we have worked on a number of elevator duty motor controls for various types of elevators, which include construction type, which are non-permanent structures to permanent passengers, and freight elevators installed in large commercial and residential buildings. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.